Commencing with the sweet and greatest name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful, who is the most compassionate, who is the King of Kings, who is the Lord of Lords. It's me, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. This is me, Muhammad Asnain. I am from Government Shahid Iman Khan Higher Secondary School, Naudeh Payan, Peshawar. These are my colleagues by the name of Abdul Basit, Muhammad Hassan, and Muhammad Ayan. So, as you all know that we have designed the project by the name of microcontroller-based solar tracker for smart home. What is microcontroller, smart home, and solar tracker? Solar tracker means they track the sunlight to get efficient energy or maximum energy. Microcontroller mean these are micro means small and controller mean controlling device. So these are small controlling device that are based on logic gates. Smartphone mean smartphone in which all the words, all the actions happen by itself. Or simply I can say that these are we can control that remotely. Or simple I can say that these are intelligent home. For example, I'm standing here and in our home the electricity is loading, so the light is turned on. So I can turn off that throughout Wi-Fi or throughout the mobile. So these are called the smart home. These are called the smart home. Secondly, I would like to tell you about the apparatus which we have used in this project. Firstly, we took solar panel. These are two resistors. This is servo motor. These are jumping cable. This is breadboard, and this is Arduino Uno and jumping cable. We supply the power. So it was all about the apparatus. Now my other colleague by the name of Muhammad Abdul Basit will tell you about the works, the apparatus with its functions. Abdul Basit.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I would like to tell you to aware you about the importance, the need and advantage of this system. So we have two types of solar panels. The one is conventional or fixed solar panels that we have in our homes, and this is solar tracker, system. We use in modern technology. So the main difference between the solar tracker and conventional solar is that the conventional solar panels cannot provide us maximum energy, maximum light throughout the whole day. But the solar tracker provides us maximum and sufficient energy throughout the whole day. It traces the sunlight and adjusts and move and follow the direction of the light. I would like to tell you the working principles. So first of all, these are the LDR sensors. LDR sensors. When light intensity, they get the light intensity, then the resistance of these sensors is changed. Their changes are sent to the Arduino Uno. This is Arduino Uno to the connecting wires and breadboard. This input is sent. After sending, this Arduino Uno processes the data and analysis that where should the solar panel move to get the maximum light energy. So after the position, the Arduino UNO sends signals to the servo motor. This is servo motor through the wires and breadboard. Then the servo motor rotates the solar panel in that direction, and similarly, the whole day, this solar panel continuously move and provide us more sufficient energy from the same sunlight and from the same solar system. So this solar this is servo motor, so this rotates the solar panel the whole day. And this is
Miss,
breadboard. It used for
miss.
temporary safe and clean connection. These are jumping wires, and this is generally called the brain of this project because it processes data and making decisions and send signals. This is a USB cable which is connected to the laptop for power supply and programming to the project. So now I would like to bring some changes in the intensity of these resistors. So the light intensity on this resistor is more than that one. So it moves in that direction. If I bring this direction, now this solar panel moves in this direction because here is on this sensor the intensity of light is more than that. So this system works.